associated colloids or colloids, but which at lower concentration behaves like an electrolyte, and at higher concentration they behave like an colloid. They aggregate and form colloids at higher concentration. At lower concentration they behave like a normal electrolyte. For example, soap salt. So in soap, which is C17H35COO minus Na plus, there is a long hydrophobic tail which is water hating, and there is COO minus Na plus which is hydrophilic and which is water loving. So for example, in a beaker there is an oil droplet, so there would be an aggregate of colloids which are formed and which is also known as micelle. So there is micelle formation in there. So what is flocculation value? Flocculation value is a minimum concentration of electrolyte which is required to cause coagulation or flocculation of a sol, uh, is flocculation value. It is millimole per liter. So basically, if we take a bunch of colloids and if we add electrolyte, it precipitates. Okay, so the minimum amount of electrolyte that I am gonna add to cause coagulation or flocculation is called flocculation value. Okay, it is usually in millimole per liter. Okay, and protective colloids. So for example, there are colloids and I'm adding electrolyte and it coagulates, it precipitates. So is it nice? No, it is not nice. We don't want colloids to coagulate, so we need to protect that. So for protecting it, what do? We add a suitable lyophilic colloidal sol. What is lyophilic? As I earlier told you, there is a long chain which is hydrophobic, or you can say kind of like lyophobic. So if you and there is a small part which is water loving, which is lyophilic. So if I add a suitable lyophilic colloidal sol, it protects the colloid from coagulating. So the coagulation can be prevented by addition of suitable lyophilic colloidal sol, and such sols are called protective colloid. Okay, so what is goal number? Goal number is basically the minimum number of milligrams of lyophilic sol which is needed to protect 10 ml of gold sol by addition of 1 ml of 10% NaCl is called goal number. Okay, so to protect 10 ml of gold soil, I'm adding 1 ml of 10% NaCl. Okay, and protective power is reciprocal of goal number. Like, understand this properly. Goal number is what? It is the amount of protective sol that I have added. Protective sol, that is lyophilic. Okay, that I'm adding, so that in order to not so that it does not coagulate. So that is goal number, the amount of protective sol I am adding. Okay, and what is protective power? It's kind of like efficiency. Okay, so protective power is efficiency कि वो ना कोलाइड ना हो, कोगुलेट ना हो. ठीक है, प्रोटेक्टिव पावर इज लाइक एन एफिशिएंसी. एंड गोल सॉल के उसमें कितना हम ऐड करें प्रोटेक्टिव सॉल कि वो कोगुलेट ना हो. ठीक है, कितना ऐड किया है, तो इसलिए प्रोटेक्टिव पावर का रेसिप्रोकल गोल नंबर होता है. मतलब गोल नंबर ज़्यादा है तो प्रोटेक्टिव पावर कम होगी, और प्रोटेक्टिव पावर ज़्यादा है तो गोल नंबर कम होगी, बिकॉज इट्स रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, and what are the applications of colloids in our daily life, or what are the applications? First of all, in cleansing action of soap and detergents, in rubber industry, in medication, in tanning, in purification of drinking water, in electrical precipitation of smoke. We all use colloids here and there. Okay, it has a huge application. So I hope you understood all these 3-4 concepts, and it's very important. I hope you understood it.